A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well. So students, we have already started our question number 22nd. Now in question number 22nd, this question is asked to prepare 4 accounts. That is realization account, partners capital account, loan of bail account and bank account. See students, I have already discussed 2 accounts, that is one is realization account and loan by bail account, right? So this is realization account that I have sold in my previous video, and this is bail's loan account, right? Now in today's video, I will perform the second part of this question, that is partners capital account. Alright, so let's get started. Partners capital account. So before starting this, we have to see whether the balance brought down or the balances of capitals are given in the balance sheet or not. So let's check this. See, here are the balances given. Bail's balance is 50,000 and Zale's balance is 40,000. So this we have to write down in partners capital account as balance brought down. Here we will write by balance brought down. What are the balances? Bail ka balance है 50,000 and Yale ka balance है 40,000. Our next job is to perform realizations profit or loss. Now check what is there. The balance shows a loss of rupees 16500, which is to be shared by bail and Yale in equal ratio, means 1:1, right? Then 8250 will be paid by bail and 8250 will be paid by Yale. Now what we have to do, we have to transfer the losses. Now how we have to, on the debit side we will record the loss, that is to P&L, right? Sorry, that is the balance of realization. We will write here to realization. What is the balance? 8250, 8250. Okay. Now the next step is to check whether any reserve is given in the question or not. Now let's check our balance sheet. This is our balance sheet. We have to check in the liability side whether any reserve is given. Now partners capital account we have already transferred. See, the next step is journal reserve. It is given 8,000. You all know that all the reserves are to be distributed between the partners in equal ratio. It means we will write here by journal reserve, that is it will be shared in equal ratio, that is 4,000 and 4,000. Now please come to realization account. Here we have to see whether any asset is to be taken by any partner, because that we will take from his partner's capital account. See, all these are realized in cash. Okay, Yale has taken furniture of rupees 9,000. So what we will write here? To realization. What he has taken? Furniture. And the value is 9,000. Who has taken? Zale has taken. So we will write here 9,000 in Zale's account. Is that okay? Now check anything else taken by any partner. Zale's furniture account, it's Bail's loan is there, that we have transferred. Now whether any liability is to be paid by any partner? No, nothing is there. It means these are the only terms which are to be transferred in partners capital account. See what I have done. Firstly, I have transferred the brought down balances in partners capital account. Then I have transferred the journal reserve, which was to be distributed in equal profit sharing ratio. Then I have transferred the loss of realization, that was to be shared equally. 16,500 was the balance and 8250 मैंने ट्रांसफर कर दिया उन दोनों के अकाउंट में. Then Zale has taken furniture, so that we will take from his partner, from his capital account. Okay. Now this is the time to balance our accounts. So let's balance it. Now the total of bail is 54,000 and Zale is 44,000. Now what we have taken? We have taken the amount of loss, right? Nothing else we have taken. So it means we have to pay bail the ultimate balance, that is 45,750, right? Now we have what we have given to Yale 44, and what we have taken 8250 the loss, and 9000 the amount of furniture that gets taken to his home. So the balance of Zale is 26750. Okay, so these two amounts will be transferred to the bank account. All right, so let's make bank account now, the last account that is required by the question. So here we have to write bank account. So this is our bank account. I have started it with the balance given in your balance sheet, that is balance brought down. Okay, now to realization C. In realization account, I have just realized all the values through bank, like in bank. Then what is the total of all this term? 80500. It means we have to transfer the amount in bank account by writing to realization 80500. Nothing is there to write on the debit side, only two things are there. Then the total of debit side is 91500, right? To ensure whether you have posted all the entries correct or not, you just have to check the balance of the both side, debit and credit. If your bank account is balanced, it means you have transferred all the transactions correctly. Okay, now see, you have prepared here partners capital account, and the balance of partners capital account we have transferred to bank account. Similarly, we have to transfer now the partners capital accounts balance in the bank account by writing by Bales capital, that is 45750, and by Zales capital 26750. Okay, then we have realized we have paid off all the liabilities. See here, by bank to bank 2500 and 14000 के creditors हमने pay करे हैं, that we will transfer here by writing by realization. I have just make addition of both these two terms, 2500 plus 14000. Okay, then the last by Bales loan. See, Bales loan I have prepared here. Here you have paid it by writing to bank, so here we have to write down by Bales loan 2500. So the total of credit side is also 91500. It means all the transactions you have posted are correct. So this is how we have to prepare all the four accounts: realization account, then loan account, then partners capital account, and bank account. So please practice the rest questions and send me your queries. Thank you so much.